Previously on Sailing Aquarius, we left Tonga and started Season 3 of Sailing Aquarius. First passage, 7-day sail to New Zealand. We came to New Zealand to stay away from hurricane season areas. I'm planning to stay here a couple of months, and as majority of cruisers do, we decided to buy a car instead of renting, especially since we want to tour whole country. And now we rented a car and we are on a mission to find a car for us. And we are about to buy a car. What do you think about that?
Just trying to get a good deal on a car. Oh, look at that, we got a new car.
Ooh la la! And just like that, Aquarius got a little sister. Perfection. You're not gonna get out?
It's nice and warm in here.
Are you being cold, Kenny? When we arrived to New Zealand, it was a springtime there, and sometimes quite chilly, especially for us used to tropical heat. To survive the cold, we were warming up in hot springs, which were only about 20-minute drive from Marina, and also exploring other beautiful places that New Zealand has to offer. We came to New Zealand with many other cruisers to escape typhoon season in South Pacific. There are about 200 boats coming about the same time. Therefore, Bay of Islands Marina, together with local businesses, are throwing us a party. Full week of informative and fun events, kicking it off with some barbecue and traditional haka dance. It's a cruisers festival.
Arapeta is going to say a few words and let you know a little bit about what we have here, special in Opua.
Ko hea, tērā pātū mai rāra, ko otu ihu, nuku mai neke mai ki taku tauaro. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to you, and look, we've even brought out the sun for you. And welcome you here to the Bay of Islands.
We'll see you all tonight in your dresses at the cruising club. Yeah, don't forget your dress, otherwise you won't get in.
Yeah.
Russ is going to tell you the rest of the rules.
Don't be shy. Cruisers aren't shy. We're not shy people, okay? So risque is fine, but yeah, just everyone in a dress, just so we all feel comfortable in a dress. Everyone's in the same dress, it's all good. I promise you, this will be the party of the year. I promise you.
When our men were told to wear dresses, all of our friends said they won't. But when the time came, all of those divas were coming out from the boats, and the party was a blast.
Last year he was a little bit shy and a little bit awkward, but this year he has just kicked it out of the park, and so we're going to call Mike Rainey.
Thank you. That's really good. Come, I'll get you to repair it later.
This prize is a bit of a last minute prize, but it's the most risque outfit of the night. Oh, how do you know? Of course it's Bruce.
Well, it definitely was my party of the year. Between the fun parts, Cruisers Festival was also full of very informative, like fishing class, sail repair workshops, and in between that we also had to work on Aquarius.
What's up?
Did you fall asleep while measuring?
No, I'm just thinking.
Oh, you're just thinking.
Mm-hmm. Somebody has to think.
I know. On such a beautiful and warm day, huh?
That is really nice. Yeah.
The other thing I really liked was Explore Powerboat. It's a cruise type of boat which took us Bay of Islands, and it was an excellent preview to see what awaits us when we will start cruising. Meeting local service providers and new cruiser friends is another bonus.
I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish the sun.
Last part of Cruisers Festival is a 3-day group sail to a few islands, which starts tomorrow. Therefore, we have to complete all the works on Aquarius.
Now we got it mostly back together. You can see this is on there really nice. This one's on there really nice. We got new stainless steel jobbies for that. Looks so much nicer.
Hey, you found some really nice corner, huh? Needing some privacy?
Something like that.
What is the island we about to anchor at? What?
Odor of Puka Puka. Right? Or is it Uda Puka Puka? Or shall we just call it Paradise Bay?
It is Paradise Bay. And the island is Ura Puka Puka.
Una puka puka. Looks pretty nice. Nice bay.
Yep.
We came to this pristine little beach, and we were so lucky to have this beautiful sunny day. By the way, New Zealand name in their local Maori language is Aotearoa, what means long white cloud. So there's always clouds in the sky.
Hello, sailors. How are you?
We are good.
Good. Well, we're off to another anchorage with the Bay of Islands cruisers. They're all back there. Take a look back there. And we're gonna go anchor someplace else.
How do you like it here?
I love it. And it was supposed to be cold today, but it's a beautiful sunny day and warm. I'll bet tomorrow it's gonna be cold.
We are taking off from this beautiful bay. And look at this beauty. Ah. I don't know how to take it off. Hilarious. Just sailing by. What is that?
My Kilkenny bear. I think if you can find a sailor, it's a good plane because. And actually, he upgraded.
Next on Sailing Aquarius, some locals, and tall ship rally.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.